PerPay is an innovative tool designed to help people build their credit while making purchases in a way that actually works for their financial situation. It's a platform that connects with your payroll, allowing you to shop for things you need or want, like electronics, home goods, apparel, and then pay for them over time directly from your paycheck. The best part, it's completely risk-free to sign up, and applying doesn't even impact your credit score. You can unlock up to $1,000 in initial spending power, and as long as you stay on top of your payments, your spending limit can increase over time. You make manageable automatic payments with every paycheck, and there's no crazy interest or hidden fees involved. This is a huge relief for people who are tired of dealing with predatory credit card terms or payday loans. For many people, especially those with low credit scores, the usual financial options can feel like traps. 1 in 3 Americans has a credit score below 620, and that often means turning to products that charge high interest rates and have hidden fees. PerPay is different. The whole idea is to help you avoid falling into that cycle by providing a way to make purchases and build your credit at the same time. On average, users see their credit score go up by 32 points within the first 3 months of using the service, which is pretty impressive. And because the payments come directly from your paycheck, it's pretty hands-off. No worrying about missing due dates or stressing over manual payments. Another cool feature is the PerPay credit card. It's the first unsecured card that works in tandem with your paycheck, helping you manage your balance and build your credit more effectively. You can earn 2% rewards on every payment, which is pretty sweet, and the rewards can be used to shop top brands in their marketplace. And the credit card starts with a limit of up to $1,500, and after a few months, you might be considered for an increase. It's a great way to use your regular income to your advantage, and unlike other credit cards, it doesn't hit you with sky-high fees or interest. Of course, no service is perfect, and while PerPay offers a lot of advantages, it does have a couple of limitations. The biggest one might be the restriction on how you can spend. While you can shop at the PerPay marketplace, the selection is more limited compared to traditional retailers, so if you're looking for a broader range of options, you might not find everything you're looking for. Also, since your payments come directly from your paycheck, you'll need to make sure your direct deposit is set up properly. This could be a hurdle for people who don't have direct deposit or work freelance jobs with inconsistent paychecks. But overall, if you're someone who needs a way to build credit without dealing with the usual pitfalls of credit cards and loans, PerPay offers a solid, hassle-free solution. It's perfect for people who want to make purchases, manage their finances, and steadily improve their credit score without the stress and complications of traditional financial products. Plus, if you're the type who tends to forget payment due dates, the automated payment system is a real game changer. PerPay is definitely worth considering if you're looking to get your credit back on track while buying the things you need.